thank you, and welcome back once again to the channel. This is Carlos. Today we're going to be unboxing the Milwaukee Red Lithium USB 3.0. It comes in a very secure package, which we're going to have to get into. Okay. This is a USB rechargeable battery headlamp. I like this headlamp because it has the battery pack on the back and the headlamp unit, the lamp unit in the front. So it makes it more balanced when you're wearing it. And there she is. It comes with a USB, a heavy duty USB charging cord. It's a USB-A. Great. Here is, it comes with several clips for hard hat wear. Okay, you guys already know how that works. You put that on the band, and then that attaches to the edge of your hard hat. It's very, very good, very nice feature to have. Comes with 4 of these. Instruction manual. Some of the features are on here. Let's take a look at the lamp. It goes over the head and it goes around. So it has 3 straps. It has the on and then the mode button. The rechargeable battery goes in here. It stays in there and you charge it through the USB port that's right on the back. And that is water resistant with one of these. I don't think you can submerge this, but it should be water resistant. Keep sweat and keep the water out when you're working out in the rain. Now, what I like about this is that the battery has it's kind of rounded here, and the front is light, and there's sort of a sweatband on the inside of the strap in the front. This is actually like a sweatband up here, and it also has a pivot action here. So when you're wearing this, you can pivot this down at a different angle here. Hey, that's pretty good. From this angle, okay, great. Of course, it has the elastic. It's adjustable. Goes over the hard hat, or you could just wear it over your head. Like I said, this is more balanced. There's a model that has the battery and the light in the front. Everything's just heavy. After a while, you wear that on your hard hat and you can feel it. With this model, whether it's a hard hat or just your head, you have the battery on the back, you have the light unit on the front, and you don't feel the weight on the front of your hard hat. This lamp here has 4 LEDs in the front. It's a 600 lumens. This costs about 75 bucks at the Home Depot. 2020, end of 2021. It's a low profile, it says here, 600 lumens, 4 different settings. You have high, medium, low, and eco. So it's 600 lumens for 2 3/4 hours, or 350 lumens for 7.5 hours. It's a full work day almost. You can have it on low beam for 11 hours duration, or eco for 25 lumens for an incredible 32 hours. That's according to this. Okay, it says right here, split design for maximum comfort and balance. That's exactly what I was saying. And here's a little graphic of the little, the model wearing it right there on their head. If you wear it on your head, adjust it to your head, or you can adjust it to your hard hat. Like I said, with these plastic attachments right here. How long does it take to charge? I think it takes a couple of hours to charge. I do recommend it. I have used this before. I gave my old one away to somebody who needed it, and I wanted to show this to somebody like you guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comments down below. Thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. Have a good one.